Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisite documents and creating your account. Do that now so you don't stall later. Enter email, phone, and tax ID carefully because mismatches block verification. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for security and add a reliable payment method. This prevents interruptions during submission. You're starting with action rather than setup. Upload scanned ID images with clear edges and acceptable formats. Then continue immediately to verification to avoid session timeouts and lost progress. You now handle the verification flow because this is the system's gatekeeper. Follow its exact prompts. Upload clear images and check that every field you typed matches the ID to avoid rejections. The software flags mismatched strings automatically. If the portal requests biometric or live video verification, position lighting and hold your ID steadily so facial recognition succeeds. Once verified, review the summary screen carefully and correct any typos before advancing. Small errors cause manual reviews that delay approval. You finish by paying fees and confirming the submission. Make sure the payment clears and that you save the receipt and reference number. Once confirmed, download the registration certificate or take a screenshot of the confirmation page so you have proof while back-end processing completes. If the application is rejected, read the provided error code immediately and fix the precise field it cites, then resubmit. If problems persist, contact support with your reference number so they can escalate rather than redoing the whole flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.